Hello, Hungry Fam. My name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Oh my god, I've missed saying this line so much and I've missed you all even more. But now we are back and hopefully with a bang. So, today I'm going to answer few of your questions. And before starting the video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. We got a lot of questions asking about how we started this YouTube channel, the inspiration behind it, my education, and many personal questions which I've already answered in the first Q&A. So the link will be in the description box below. You can check it out. And a small introduction about myself is my name is Akansha Tarfe. My age is 25. My mother tongue is Marathi. I live in Mumbai and my qualification is I'm a biomedical engineer turned chef. Now let's start with the questions. The first question is from Neeru Baitul. What happened to you? I got many similar questions asking why you were not able to post for almost 2 months now. She's further asked, was it COVID? If yes, please tell your COVID journey of being infected to recovery. Yes, I was tested positive for COVID, and not only me but 5 other of my family members, including my parents, Shriya, and her mom. So it was complicated because my parents are senior citizens and they have diabetes and high blood sugar. That's why the oxygen started dropping a lot and they had to be hospitalized. Thankfully, they are back now. They are recovering. In fact, all of us are recovering still. And about the journey, it was obviously very difficult. It is a very silly thing, but I've never lived alone in the 25 years of my life. But I had to in this difficult time, and I have to give big props to my family for always supporting me in this very difficult time. Not only my family members but my neighbor as well as my best friend supported me a lot. They were literally there for me and they helped like anything, and I'm very grateful to them. We couldn't shoot because I wasn't in the creative mind state. थोड़ा tension भी था, and just when I thought that we can start shooting again, I fell sick the next day of Adwait's birthday. It was nothing major, it was post-COVID congestion. We also tried shooting this video 2 to 3 times, but I was going breathless, I was coughing a lot, and I really don't like to post such videos. If you have faced the same problem or you're going through it right now, I can totally feel you. You are very strong. Just don't stress and talk to someone. You can also message or DM me. You know, I always reply. I'm so happy that the things are getting better now. The COVID cases are decreasing, but just take precautions, take vaccine immediately as you get it, and yes, wear double mask as well. Now let's move on to the second question. The next question is from Alia Sultana. Missed you so much. I missed you as well. Just wanted to know if you will pet an animal and which animal. I absolutely love dogs. So yes, someday I will definitely have a Shih Tzu. The next question is from Riddhi Mahajan. When are you going to marry? Maybe in a year or two. The next question is from Shubhra Singh. Have you ever been told by any family member that YouTube is not a job and stop cooking? I don't think so, but judge तो बहुत किया. And when I was switching my career completely from engineering to being a chef, तब भी बहुत सारे relatives ने बोला था, but my parents are really strong enough to ignore them, and they always supported me and motivated me to do whatever I want. The next question is from Shizuka. What is your most embarrassing moment? Lots of love from Assam. Love you as well. So I'm a very clumsy person in general, okay? मतलब मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था मैं चलते चलते गिर जाती हूँ. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर इट वॉज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ माई जूनियर कॉलेज एंड आई वॉजंट एबल टू फाइंड माई क्लास. तो जैसे आई एंटर्ड माई क्लास रूम आई फेल सो बैड एंड एवरी वन वॉज लाफिंग एंड आई वॉज रियली एम्बेरस्ड. मैं 2-3 दिन उसके बाद कॉलेज गई ही नहीं. The next is from Srihari N. Which is your favorite YouTube channel? I've already answered it, but it is Fezra, Gopali, and Remora Vlog. Which is your dream place to visit? I really want to go to Los Angeles and Czech Republic. The next is from Siddhi Kamri. What is your favorite color? Blue. Favorite street food? Pani Puri and momos. The next is how is your bonding with Adwait? Okay, so we are cousins, but we are more of like siblings. We definitely fight a lot, but वो मुझे हमेशा मना लेता है We are that close that we share everything with each other, and he's kind of like the only brother, so वो सबका लाडला है. And he really makes the channel very fun. मतलब shoot के time he has that energy which makes me also work a lot. And you can see our bachpan ke videos. These videos clearly show what our bonding is without saying a lot. The next question is from Rehan Malik. Any 2 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel? Okay, that's a nice question. The first being, Hunger Plans is a very different and I guess a unique channel according to me. You get everything related to food recipes, food hacks, food challenges, and now also I'm doing some sit down videos to connect with you all. The second reason is very simple. We like to spread positivity and happiness on this channel and have tried to build a nice community where I reply to most of your comments. And I guess all these reasons are more than enough for you to subscribe. It will also make me happy. The next question is from Love Saini. What is your favorite traditional food? It is komdi vade, which is a Maharashtrian dish. Favorite foreign food? It has to be Korean ramen noodles. And who do you love the most? Undoubtedly my parents. The next question is from Monali Visave. Do you and your cousins live together? Are you a joint family? No, we don't live together. I really wish we did because I love my cousins and we actually stay very far from each other. Advait just stays here when we are shooting. And about the joint family, no, only me, my parents live here. The next is from Vaishnavi Goswami. Your favorite recipe ever? I actually enjoy all the recipes I make, but my favorite up till now has to be the rainbow burger, which I made in April. The next question is from Vrinda Vishwakarma. What is your favorite dish which you cook all the time? So I really like to make aloo paratha a lot. Then favorite place in India? I guess it has to be Rishikesh. Then your your school and college name. My school was St. Anne's High School and college was Patkar and Vatamal College. Then my best friend's name. So I have 3 really close best friends, that is Mandar, Deep and Trisha. Your first salary. So I got my first salary when I was an intern in the Mirador Hotel. It was 750 rupees, which I gave it to my nanny. Your favorite game? If you're asking about PC or mobile, I'm not really that kind of a person. I really like indoor games and I enjoy playing Uno a lot. The next question is from Lakshmi Verma. What do you want to become from your childhood, a cook or something else? Okay, it's really funny, but I always wanted to become a prime minister. और मेरा स्वच्छ भारत अभियान तो बचपन से चल रहा था. I guess in 9th grade, I thought politics is not for me. And then I wanted to become a biomedical engineer क्योंकि तब वो नया field था and I always wanted to do something different. I did graduation in that and I wanted to become a chef and I did. And now maybe a YouTuber. The next question is from Insia Bhatnawala. What is in your bucket list? As of now, I really want to travel a lot. Then is from Arna Taneja. What was the first thing you ever cooked and for who? What is the best thing you ever cooked? Okay, so you won't believe, but I guess I was in 6th or 7th standard. I cooked Maggi for my sister और उसमें मेरे को गरम मसाला डालना था, but I don't know which masala I added and the Maggi turned so bad, but we had to eat it because it was 2 in the night. And the second time जब actual सब्जियाँ कुछ बनाया was भिंडी की सब्जी in 12th standard and the सब्जी was good but it was drowning in oil. I literally added half liter oil to make that sabji and my parents had to eat that, so I really feel bad for them. Now some questions which are related to work or YouTube. Who edits your video? Advait does. The next question is from Avni Survashi. What do you do when some food hack is busted? I also got a similar question that what do I do if I waste food? Honestly, we don't like to waste food at all. If something or some hack gets busted, I tried to, recreate it or use it in some other dish, but we don't waste anything. Then Advika, can you buy an iPhone 11 every month from your YouTube income? Absolutely not. It's literally one fourth of the iPhone 11, maybe. The next question is from Foodie Advit. What do you feel are tips for every food YouTubers to follow? Okay, I don't think so. I am capable enough to give any tips because I'm still growing. But if you want any advice from me, I would say that just post consistently and give good quality and just be honest. The next question is from Sumana Jana. Were you demotivated any time while you started YouTube videos? Who gave you the motivation to stand tough and supported you throughout? Honestly, in this 1.5 years, I was hardly demotivated because I really enjoy making videos and creating new stuff, like experimenting. But in the break, like in this 1.5 month, I was very anxious and I was rethinking this idea that how will we rebuild whatever we created. But Advait, my parents, my friends really pushed me and we started shooting again, which I'm happy about. The next question is from Ijaz Hussain. Where you buy your most of the gadgets for cooking? I order it from Amazon, or if I can find it in any local market, I buy it. The next question is from Mania Seni. Food coloring is healthy or not? If you ask me, I don't think so because I am allergic to it and the allergy is really bad. My face swells a lot and my body itches, so I don't think so it's healthy. The next is from Ananya's Creative World. What were the major changes in your life from the day you started a YouTube channel? If you're asking lifestyle wise, nothing as of yet. And the major changes were really in the way I was thinking. I became more creative and experimental. I started working a lot and it started a different kind of a spark where I love to make videos. The next is, how do you deal with mean comments? I just ignore them and delete it. Then Aditi Jaiswal, tell us about your team for shoot. I don't have a proper team. It's just me, Advait, and my parents help in between. The next question is from Girls Zone. How did you got an idea of starting a YouTube channel? I've answered that. How do you manage your time for this? Honestly, I suck. I really suck at time management. We shoot at night. We literally shoot all night and we sleep in the day or edit in the day. The next question is from Nazia Sayyad. Where did you learn cooking? As I mentioned in the first Q&A video, the passion for food started from watching a lot of MasterChef. So I had the theoretical knowledge, but then my parents started teaching me and I watched a lot of YouTube. But the practical knowledge I gained was from working in the hotel. I did internship for almost a year. So yes, that's where I learned cooking. Now let's start with some rapid fire questions. Cupcake or pancake? Cupcake. Topper or backbencher? I think I was in the middle. Then work or rest? I think work. The next is from Chetna Goenka. Lays or Kurkure? Blue Lays. Noodles or pasta? Pasta. Ice cream or cake? Cake. Samosa or patties? Samosa. I love samosa. Then pani puri or chole kulche? Pani puri. Pizza or burger? Pizza. The next is from Lakshita Jain. Food hacks or food challenges? I guess food challenges because there I can create my own recipes. BTS or Blackpink? BTS. Pink food or yellow food? Pink food. Healthy food? Unhealthy food? Obviously unhealthy food. Then dessert or fast food? Fast food. Face reveal or voice reveal? That's a tough one. I guess face reveal because the love I got after that was crazy. Then 500k likes or 500k subscribers? I think 500k likes because then I get to know that the videos I'm putting out, you guys are really liking it. Then likes or subscribers? Likes. Chinese food or Korean food? Korean food. Soups or noodles? Noodles. The next question is from Vasan Nayak. Your favorite Indian food? I think it is chicken angara. Favorite Maharashtrian food? I answered komri vade. Your favorite drink? I really like Pepsi a lot. The next questions are from Gargi Pandey. Chai or coffee? I have tea every day, but there are times that I really crave for a good coffee. So it really depends. Then pizza or burger? Pizza. Morning or night? I'm a night person. BTS or Harry Potter? Oh my god, that is so hard for me to choose. But I guess Harry Potter because it's my bachpan. Then Hollywood movies or Bollywood movies? Bollywood movies. The next questions are from Smile Queen. What do you like more, veg or non-veg? Undoubtedly non-veg. Maharashtrian food or Gujarati food? Okay, it's really funny, but I grew up having Gujarati food more than Maharashtrian food, but now I like Maharashtrian food more. The next questions are from Amna Nabeen. Shorts or jeans? Shorts. Milk or coffee? Coffee. Heels or shoes? Shoes. Burger or cake? I think burger. Waffles or pancakes? Waffles. Cupcake or pudding? Cupcakes. Bread or eggs? I guess eggs with bread. The next questions are from Foodie Stop. Beach or mountain? I'm a beach person. Food or travel? Oh my god, that's a tough one. I can't choose because I love food. Food is my passion and I really want to travel a lot. Then casuals or party wear? Casuals. Cold coffee or hot coffee? Hot coffee. Dog or cat? Dog. Now the last question is from Rijula Roy. Western dishes or Indian dishes? Indian dishes. Chinese or Italian? Italian. Pizza or burger? Pizza. USA or UK? USA. Pop or rock? Pop. That's it for the questions. I really hope you enjoyed this chit chatty video and let me know what you want to see next. Like, I don't know what happened in this 2 months, which trends I've missed or anything. Just let me know what you want to see. I would really love to make them. And the next, I think 1 or 2 videos I've already shot them. So I'm going to upload that as soon as I can and see you all really soon. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more amazing videos.